Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and this MaisoNovo Clear Glass Foaming Soap Dispenser, along with the 4-pack of tablets, is just a great addition to our bathroom. I love the modern look of the soap dispenser. It's substantial, it feels very sturdy, and the look is just so sleek. I love that the finish matches the fixtures in my bathroom, and I love the choice of label that you can apply to the bottle. They've thought of everything with this set. You can choose the label, and they've also included a 4-pack of the different scents of soap. And they come in the form of a tablet, which I thought was incredibly great because it really cuts down on packaging. So it's very easy to use. Fill it with water. You put the tablet in the dispenser and just wait about 15 to 30 minutes, and the tablet has dissolved and you have foaming soap. And the foaming soap is moisturizing. The scents are very subtle and beautiful, I might add. We've enjoyed having this in our bathroom. It really looks so nice on the vanity top, and it also is beautiful soap. And that's our point of view.